Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by verifying essentials. Your iPhone 13 is updated and charged, and you know your passcode. Open Settings and tap Face ID and Passcode, then enter your passcode to proceed. Tap Setup Face ID and hold the phone at eye level, roughly 10 to 20 inches away. Move your face slowly into the frame so the true depth camera can map features. This builds a secure depth map. Once done, you'll be prompted to start the first scan. Keep movements smooth and relaxed. Now you'll do the 2 required scans. Follow the on-screen circle and rotate your head slowly until each scan completes. This captures multiple angles so Face ID recognizes you in different lighting and poses. Make a conscious choice about attention-aware features. Enable it to require you to look at the phone for higher security, or disable it for easier unlocking when distracted. If you wear glasses, hats, or vary makeup, add an alternate appearance to improve accuracy across looks. Finish by locking the phone and testing Face ID to unlock, and try authenticating in apps such as Apple Pay or passwords to confirm. If Face ID fails repeatedly, go back to Settings and choose Reset Face ID, then re-enroll. This solves mapping errors. Also clean the true depth sensor area and try in good, even lighting. Dirt or extreme backlight can confuse the system. One key tip: if problems persist, remove any screen protector that covers the top sensor. Then rerun setup.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.